Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And in this video, I'm just going to discuss about our positional strategy. The month of December. So we are completing the month December that expire today. So how that month works on our based on our advanced option strategy, and how our Google Sheet will help us to find out a trade opportunities that we are going to discuss on this video. And before going to this video on our website, so we are giving you some better offer on the courses which available on advanced option strategy and the weekend learning, and also the charting premium scanners creation. So where you learn the scanners creation, so from the beginning to advanced level, including with custom indicator creation. The custom indicator is about creating a multiple comparison with we simply finding out the uh, multiple comparison in a single scanner. That would be possible with the custom indicator. So that up to that level you can learn on the system. There are all our recorded courses also available. So each and every courses we are giving you some offer. This will be available till 1st of January. So anyone who interested to join our courses, where you can just purchase from me here, or you just WhatsApp me to get more detail. So you'll be getting more details on a WhatsApp. And also if you want to access the recording course, you can purchase our course from the website, and till it is available till 1st of Jan. Okay, and also we have a premium group for a charting scanners. There also we can get one-time charges of 3,000, but after a second of 2025, so we are going to increase the price of that scanners group. So even we are going to update more powerful scanners on the group. So that's why we are going to change that prices. And if you want, then you can go to access this. And this monthly positional strategy, we have a lot of stocks in the first beginning of the month. So we have call sites, almost 32 stocks which triggers in a call site. So where you can see the overall market in the beginning, that was moving up to 13th December, it moving to the peak. So it was started from almost 24 100, near about 8 700 point, which increased. So we have a lot of opportunities. And after 13th December, it started moving down. So after that, so we have a lot of opportunity which is happening in put side also at the end of this month of December. So based on our concept, so we at almost 50% more than 21 stocks in put. So but prior to that, we have many stocks which triggers on a call side, that was giving you such a good result on call side. And most probably we have made a video on that. But puts, how it works, and from there, so we have to filter out more liquid stocks, not to find out low liquid stocks. And also for the course students, we are providing a monthly IV sheet that helping you to find out these stocks, because based on this concepts we are going to find out two or three opportunity for the month. So last month we almost 45 affordable stocks where it is added into the premium future segment. So that group of stocks which is not added, but from that list we have a lot of stocks which gives you such a good movement for this month. So because of the historical data is not available for this newly added affordable stocks, we are not adding. For the month of January, we will be adding that stocks also. Even we have a more opportunity and more stocks in F&O category. We will be easily filtering out the stocks for our positional concept. So here almost 21 stocks, more than 50%. So we are not planning to take a trade on all 21 stocks. Our concept is to find out 3 to 4 opportunities that would be happen in the first 2 weeks. Before first 2 weeks, we will be getting that much of opportunity based on our advanced option strategy concepts, where you can use for a hedging concepts also. So tomorrow the weekly is going to update, monthly sheet is not going to update by tomorrow, because of monthly sheet which is going to update from the first of every month, but the data can be changed in this particular monthly sheet. It should be a January contract. So maybe you will be see this much of results. That's why this is also be a back test, how many stocks which triggers our entry point. Let me assume like Hero Motor 4800 put option, 4800 put option, maybe it will trigger after 13th or 14th. So our breakout point on this particular strike price would be around 271. So 271 maybe on this particular day, 13th December. So that day only market reversed. Initially, this was not triggered in a call set, but put side which triggers, and you know well where we can keep a stop loss. And finally, it went up to 570, but we are not yet waiting for a 570. If you are using a hedging strategy, so maybe we are waiting for a till the maximum move. But as per our naked option concept, so maybe the target and stop loss we have, that in this case that was triggers our target and more than that, and a lot of stocks which given you the opportunity. Last month we filtered some stocks based on the high momentum. From this list, the IGL is giving you such a good move for the month of, and Maruti, let's check Maruti in the category. Is there anywhere here Maruti? Let me check. And not triggered it. So like we have a lot of stocks from this IGL that was giving you such a good move last month, and because it is generating at the initial stage. Okay, so initial stage itself, the beginning of the month itself, it was started giving you some good move. So this is what is starting off for 29th and December 1st, almost 330, it went up to 400. So almost 70-point movement. So there are options also giving you such a good result in IGL, where even you can see 24 is a breakout point by closing is around 60. So like we are planning with the concepts, so which we can helping you to buy trade positionally. So now tomorrow the weekly sheet is going to update, and it will be updating with the January contract. And the most important thing, it is for only one day. Okay, so it is not a positional weekly positional. So you should use tomorrow's update for only one day, Friday only. Okay, so don't confuse it. This is the Friday only. Weekly sheet is going to update for tomorrow, and it would be Jan contract. Jan 25 contract is going to be added here, and the strike price selection also based on today's close and not by the weekly basis concepts. Okay, and intraday is normally working, so you can utilize for an intraday, and also inside Camarilla also you can just focus the stocks which generating the inside level, maybe the good volume and liquid stocks, because by using this inside Camelula, among 223 stocks, we are filtering out all, and by ATM strike prices, which you are finding out, which forming an insight. For an example, ACC 2080, how we are finding inside Camelula 1 day prior or before market opening. That is the main concept which you are using. And if I'm using that inside, but due to the expiry weeks, there is no liquidity on that. So if the stock doesn't have a liquidity, you simply ignore it. SBI Life 1380. VI 1380. This would be a put side. Okay, inside. Okay, how I'm just planning in inside. So exactly R3 and S3 inside between the current day R4 and S4. But in this case, it was triggers on the S4 level and it moves down. We normally waiting for the breakout on the R4 level. If the R4 breaks, so we are waiting for an opportunity. And weekly and intraday is going to update tomorrow, and that would be intraday. It works purely based on the Camrilla. And today's R4 breakout, I just funding Adani Port, and one more stock is I think NMDC something, someone which I find out today. And remaining are given you the opportunity maybe later. For example, GoForge 9400. So I'm just finding an opportunity on the second candle breakout. This was breakout which is happening by around 3 o'clock. So this is not a valid breakout, and it is not suitable for an intraday also. Adani Green 1040. Let me check. So this is whatever sheet based concept, and this was a breakout which is happening here somewhere around 1240. So if you are tracking our Google Sheet, you will be able to find out the newer breakout opportunities that will be helping you to find out for an intraday R4 breakout. And we are doing it for something like monthly IP sheet is going to update it on first of the month only, so not an expiry day. So based on the concept, so we are always following the equity based only. So on 31st, so the sheet would be monthly IV is going to update it, and this monthly positional sheet also going to update it, and tomorrow maybe the data may be vary, but it is not a right one. So I hope you understood. Thank you for watching. And if you want to access my premium content, so just ping me on my WhatsApp number, or you can just purchase the courses on our website also. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.